We interrupt your programming with breaking news. Longtime Honda employee Kevin Keys is suing the company after his wrongful termination for insubordination. Keys had began receiving medical compensation in 1996 and was then cut in 1998 because of a slew of absences. Since 1997, Keys has been suffering from CFS, chronic fatigue syndrome. Honda became very suspicious of his absences and made Keys get a doctor's note for every absence he took. Honda then hired Dr. B to examine Keys medically. Then Keys hired a lawyer, and he was outraged why they would want to examine him. Honda denied explaining why, and Keys refused to meet the doctor. This led to a stalemate, which eventually led to Keys being fired for insubordination. Longtime co-worker Taylor Daniels was not pleased at this. Let's check in with her, shall we?
The whole thing is so silly. Big companies are always trying to coerce us into divulging our private lives. Poor Kevin should have never been fired for trying to keep his personal life private. It's ridiculous.
The case was then taken to court, and on October 3rd, 2006, the judge awarded Keys a 24-month firing notice and also $500,000 in punitive damages. Honda appealed, and this case was taken all the way to the Canada Supreme Court, where the judge revoked the original decision, only giving Keys a 9-month firing notice with no money whatsoever. Honda's contact was deemed not egregious enough for Keys to get this cash reimbursement. A big win for Honda was also a big win for other employers, as they have more control of their employees' absences, and they do not have to pay heavy fines for compensation. As for Keys, he either has 9 months to fix the hole with Honda, or get a new job. Jake LaRue, Oshawa.